Bashkir floral honey-based mixture with freeze-dried wax moth and ginger is a unique product made according to an original recipe. Wax moth larvae are the only species on Earth which are able to digest bee wax. Capsule structure of different kinds of bacteria is similar to a structure of bee wax. Wax moth ferments destroy the capsule of bacteria, which facilitates the medicine to kill the bacteria itself. Freeze-dried and powdered wax moth larvae preserve all the health values. In that way, we add them to our honey combined with ginger extract, which brings even more healing properties and spicy taste to our mixture. Suggested usage: it is best to take a teaspoon of wax moth mixture 20 or 30 minutes before food 1 or 2 times a day as a preventive treatment and 2 or 3 times a day as a treatment of ongoing disease. Suggested duration of treatment course is 3 months. Solid treatment result may be reached only if the mixture is taken regularly in split-course therapy during the year. Take 2 or 3 weeks break between treatment courses. Can be used for treating such diseases as bronchitis, bronchial asthma, flue, respiratory infections, stomach ulcer, duodenal ulcer, cardiovascular disease, toxicosis, preeclampsia, barrenness, climax, and prostate adenoma.